Trick or treat. Do you have any DNA samples for me to eat? I seem to have arrived precisely during a happy Halloween. Do you have any caramel-coated apples? They are reported to be delicious. Don't mind me. I am just a regular human Earth child. Please give me sugary Earth treats. I am enjoying your Earth activity of trick and or treating. Why are the Earthlings wearing costumes? They look scary enough without them.